Hello guys, are you getting an error or a billing issue of unrecognized or unauthorized charges from Netflix? Then in this video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process on how to solve this billing problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you have recognized unauthorized charges on your Netflix account, then let me show you how you can do it. First, we just go to Netflix, and here I'm logged out of my Netflix. I'll go down here to Help Center and then click on Help Center. Scroll down under Explore Topics and then head to Fix a Problem. Go ahead and choose this billing issue and click down here. You'll see here we have unrecognized or unauthorized charges from Netflix. Go ahead and choose this option and then click on it. Now here, Netflix is suggesting several steps that you can take to solve this issue. Here you're told if you have charges on your statement from Netflix that you weren't expecting, follow the steps below. That applies. Now, in one case, it might be that you are charged by Netflix but don't have an account. So for this, it means that someone may have started an account with your payment method. So if you have never signed up for Netflix or suspect someone is using your payment information for a Netflix account without your consent, then we have a contact form here that you can contact Netflix and immediately Netflix will take action. So here you are told to describe your issue and then proceed. However, should your problem be that you're still being charged on expired card, then Netflix suggests quite a number of options, and you're told banks may automatically update credit or debit card number when a new card is issued. So there is a possibility that if you are receiving charges on your expired, then it might have been updated. So this update allows your card to continue to be charged even after it has expired. To solve this, you're told you can remove or update your payment information at any time from your account page. And for this, you need to go ahead and log into your Netflix account and then head over to the account page here. If you are wondering where your account page is, just head over to your account here and choose account, and then it will take you to this same information. Now here you should be able to see your payment details. Go ahead and use this option, manage payment method, either to update or to remove your card. So that is one scenario. Now in the next scenario, it might be that you are being charged different amount than the expected amount. Now if you are experiencing such a problem, then we have a page here that will help you see why Netflix prices changed. So this might be because of changes in pricing on your Netflix account, and we have here explanation of any changes that might have been made by Netflix. So we are told you can compare the current plans and then change plan at any time. So one of the reasons why you're being charged after you have cancelled is because, one, it might be because you didn't finish maybe your cancellation. You are told that if your account was cancelled but you are still seeing a charge, you or someone who is using your account may have accidentally maybe restarted it. If you can't complete the step below, please contact us. And the steps are, just go ahead and sign into netflix.com and then cancel your account. To do this, just go to Netflix/cancel plan and then select finish cancellation. Your account will close at the end of your current billing cycle and you won't be charged. Number two, you're told change your password to prevent someone else from restarting your account. That is in an event that someone restarted your account or billing. So by using any of these methods, you should be able to fix that problem. However, if you are experiencing this issue with being charged multiple times, then for this, go ahead and click on this link, and you're told here, maybe you recently added a payment method to your account, or you recently changed your plan or purchased an extra member slot. Under each, you should see what you can do to solve this. So in any of the above, you should have the correct or the right solution. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.